What is up, humans? Welcome back to my channel. I want to start off by thanking everyone for the support that you've given me on my channel. But today we are going to be cutting this semi-crystal white opal here. It's got really broad flash on the side. I'm really curious to see what pattern's going to show up on the top. Really good colors. I got reds and greens in there, some yellow. We'll see how this one pans out. Should be a pretty nice cut. No seriously heavy dirt pockets. Just that uneven, tall part. And when we weigh out this rough piece, it is 6.13 carats. And when we measure this out, it measures to be 13 millimeters by 9 millimeters. And I forgot to do the flashlight test for you guys, but it's very clean inside other than those two pieces of dirt on the bottom. So if you'd like to see how this is shaped, stay tuned. Now, wearing a mask and glasses, I'm starting on my 800 grit diamond bit here, and this is just the rough shaping tip. Now, since this piece is fairly clean, I'm really just trying to grind down that uneven tall part on the face and just bring that down to the level with the rest of the stone so that I could shape it into an oval cab. So this is the shape that we ended up with, and as you could see, it's starting to absorb the water and a kind of halo effect there, and we did get a nice cab. Now I'm moving on to my Nova points, and this is my black Nova point tip, starting the polishing and still shaping the stone to get the rough bumpies off, making sure to get all the scratches off of the stone as well. Now I'm moving on to my brown Nova point, still polishing and shaping the stone, being sure that I'm hitting each piece of the stone evenly. Now I'm moving on to my silver Nova point, and once I'm at this point, I'm really going to be checking in between on each side and the sides and of course the face, rubbing off the water periodically, making sure that I got all the scratches out from the two previous Nova points. Now moving on to my final Nova point, which is my pink Nova point, and this one is really going to start polishing it, and I usually spend a bit longer on this Nova point versus the other Nova points, really just being sure to get it nice and polished and scratch free. So this is what the stone looks like when I've finished the Nova points and it's fully absorbed with water. And then this is the stone when I've left it out to dry on my shelf for about 3 days. Now starting on my 5 micron polishing paste on a felt tip. I'm starting the polishing process on these, getting them nice and shiny. Now going on to my 3.5 diamond polishing grit paste. This is now my 2.5 micron diamond grit paste, and this is also from Kent Supply on Etsy, if you're curious. And this one here is my 1.5 polishing paste. This is my 1 micron polishing diamond grit paste. I'm now polishing it with my 0.5 micron polishing grit paste. And finally, before cerium oxide, I'm polishing it with my 0.25 micron diamond grit polishing paste. So this is what the final stone looks like, guys, with the polish and all that. It's got beautiful colors. It's a really nice rolling flash puzzle pattern, really strong, like pinkish orange color, and a lot of yellow in there, and a little bit of green when you can find it. It's a really good one. Best puzzle piece stone I've come across this far. When I measure out the new size of the cut stone, it is 8 millimeters by 9 millimeters tall. So now, when I just shaped the stone barely, it was 3.25 carats before the Nova points. After the Nova points, it was 2.75 carats, but our final stone weight when it's evaporated and everything is 2.49 carats. So we were able to save almost 3 carats of this stone. Get a little before and after action for you. Here's the stone before we cut it, 6.13 carats of beautiful yellow flash on the side there. It was a very clean, rough piece. You can almost see the puzzle pattern on the side. We lost 3.64 carats when you do the math, and that's pretty awesome. I almost saved half the stone. This is the finished stone again at 2.49 carats, and I could not be more pleased. Super awesome flash, great stone. Don't forget to like this video if you like this kind of content, and subscribe if you want to see future videos. I really appreciate all you guys who've been liking and subscribing and commenting on my videos lately. It really means a lot to me, guys. Just thank you. This here is a little 4" by 6" painting I did on a little piece of postcard watercolor paper. It's a watercolor on watercolor paper using Daniel Smith watercolors. And yeah, I just thought I'd show this to you guys. I did it a little while ago. Thank you again for watching, and I hope I see you guys next time that I post. I'm trying to post every Wednesday, but I can't guarantee that. So, thank you guys. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you next time that I post.